In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages within a drop-down on Squarespace. If your site's top navigation is getting crowded, a drop-down keeps everything tidy and easy to browse. Think of it as a simple container that groups related pages under a single label, so visitors can find what they need without scanning a long row of links. Start by opening the main site controls on the left. Click Website, then select Pages. This brings up your navigation panel, where you manage what shows in the menu and how it's organized. You'll see your existing pages listed on the left, typically separated into areas like main navigation and not linked. The drop-down you're about to create will sit in the same list alongside your current pages. At the very top of that panel, click the plus icon to add something new. From the options that appear, choose Drop-down. Squarespace immediately adds a fresh drop-down item to your list. You'll see it appear with a default label, which is the text visitors will click to reveal the pages inside. Don't worry about the exact name just yet. You can refine that label later to match your site's structure and voice. Now it's time to place your pages into that drop-down. Click and hold any page you want to include, then drag it toward the new drop-down item. As you hover over it, you'll notice a subtle indentation guide. Release your mouse when the page snaps under the drop-down, and it will nest neatly inside. Repeat this for each page you want grouped. You can also drag to reorder pages within the drop-down, so your most important ones appear first. If you make a mistake, simply drag a page back out to the main list until it's no longer indented. That's really all there is to it. Squarespace saves your changes automatically, so you can preview your site to see the drop-down in action. On desktop, the nested pages typically appear when you hover or click the drop-down label, depending on your template. On mobile, they usually expand with a tap, keeping your menu compact and user-friendly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep drop-downs focused on a single topic so visitors instantly understand what's inside. Avoid burying too many pages so important content doesn't get overlooked. And try to use clear, concise labels for the drop-down and the pages within it. With these small touches, your navigation stays clean, consistent, and easy to use. And there you go. Your pages are now neatly organized within a drop-down on Squarespace.